Welcome back to Exploring Consciousness with an Anesthesiologist. I'm Christopher Voss, MD, a Harvard and Stanford-trained board-certified anesthesiologist and neurocritical care doctor. Today, we'll delve into a profound concept that has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike: the unity of space and time. But we'll approach it not just from a theoretical standpoint, but through the lens of our everyday experiences and consciousness. Imagine you're standing at point A, and you see point B across the way. To get from A to B, you need to traverse the space between them. This journey requires time. Simple enough, right? But what if I told you that space and time aren't just linked by our movement, but are fundamentally one and the same? Einstein's theory of relativity introduced us to the concept of space-time, a single, interwoven continuum. In this fabric, the separation between space and time dissolves. But how does this lofty idea relate to our conscious experience? Consider this. If space and time are constructs, could it be that our consciousness is what truly shapes our perception of them? Is the distance between A and B real, or is it a manifestation of our conscious awareness? As an anesthesiologist, I've witnessed how altering consciousness can warp a patient's perception of time and space. Under anesthesia, moments can feel like milliseconds or eternity. This begs the question: how much of our reality is constructed by our consciousness? Let's explore this through the duality of good and evil, or positive and negative experiences. Have you ever gone through something that felt devastating, only to realize later that it led to personal growth or unexpected opportunities? Or perhaps something you thought was beneficial turned out to have negative consequences? These shifting perceptions over time suggest that events themselves aren't inherently good or bad. Instead, our consciousness assigns value to them based on our understanding at that moment. If we remove time from the equation, we're left with experiences that simply are. By perceiving space and time as fluid constructs shaped by consciousness, we open the door to understanding reality in a new light. Perhaps space isn't just the physical distance between objects, and time isn't just the ticking of a clock. Maybe they're both reflections of our inner awareness unfolding. So, how does this perspective change the way we navigate our lives? If we acknowledge that our consciousness plays a pivotal role in creating our experience of space and time, we might approach our journeys from point A to point B, not just as physical movements, but as conscious evolutions. Einstein showed us that space and time are one. Our experiences reveal that our consciousness might be the canvas upon which this space-time fabric is painted. By exploring this unity, we can deepen our understanding of reality and, perhaps, our place within it. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember that the universe within is just as vast as the one outside.